Triple success for SWorkz this weekend. Canas wins again in Spain at the Spanish Nuts in a photo by Model X. At SRB Sport event in Italy, Elliott Boots wins against with SWorkz. Trevisan on the podium with WRC. Note that front upper A arms at the Boots SWorkz are from an older SWorkz model. Denny wins at the Nitro compound in the USA, Lime on the podium, both with SWorkz. Stone in Australia wins with X-Ray GT machine. It is at the track that will host later in 2023 the World Championship Nitro and Electric GT. At EWS UK, front-wheel drive was won by X-Ray, stock touring was won by X-Ray, but modified touring was won by Mugen with Volker. Kanai getting ready with his Kyosho machines for the Kyosho Masters Japan 2022.